Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we will make namak parey with extra virgin olive oil. You can make them with desi ghee. Just use 4 tablespoons of ghee instead of olive oil. To make namak parey, we need unbleached all-purpose flour 4 cups, salt 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 2 tablespoons, extra virgin olive oil 4 tablespoons, and water I'm using 450 ml. So let's make the dough of namak parey with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm using stand mixer with hook attachment. I added flour in the bowl. Now add cumin seeds and salt. Mix them for 3 seconds on low speed. Then add extra virgin olive oil. Mix it on low speed for 3 seconds. Then add water in it. Add it slowly. It will take 3 minutes to form the dough, inshallah. At the end of the dough mixing, keep the speed fast for 1 minute. So our dough becomes soft to make perfect namak parey, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, our dough is ready. We will cover it and keep it in fridge for 30 minutes. Then make namak parey, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We will use some dry flour and a pizza cutter to cut our namak pareys. Then place a piece of parchment on a plate and set namak parey on it. You can also freeze them. I will fry some namak parey and also freeze some of them, inshallah. Let's start making namak parey with Bismillah. Take a piece of dough and roll it with rolling pin. Use dry flour on it to make it big in size. I will show you how much it should be in thickness. It should be like this. Now cut it with pizza cutter as you like and place them on plate. Fold some of them at this point so they look pretty when you fry them. You can also make other shapes as you like. I am making like this, folding some of them. So let's fry them with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, so crispy and delicious namak pie all ready to enjoy. Share recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.